I am Savannah and this is Mallory, and we are Classy Clutter from Mesa, Arizona. Together we just started decorating and doing some DIY stuff around the house, and that's kind of how Classy Clutter was born, basically. We like Pinterest. We like looking to our fellow bloggers for ideas, really anywhere around us. I'm actually a renter, so I'm not allowed to do a lot of big wall installations. By far, hands down, the best product for me to use as a renter is vinyl. Vinyl is easily removable, but it also stays really well. Wallpapers, wood wall treatments, decorative trims and wainscotings, that's a big commitment and it's expensive. And so I'll just create something on the Silhouette software, the dimensions of my wall, and then figure out how I can make it fit. And I just cut several and piece it together. We use and really love all the machines, but the CAMEO is our go-to. It has the biggest cutting capacity, and the best part about it is that I don't need to use a mat. It's the only machine out there that allows me to do that. Having the feature of a matless cutting is super important for us, and it's something that we have tried using other machines that are on the market today, and we just don't get that benefit. And that's the reason why we chose Silhouette cutting system. What we enjoy doing the most and what we do for our clients is definitely larger scale. I have 4 different CAMEOs, the older versions and the newer versions. I have the Curio and I have the Mint, and I love them all, but I definitely use the 4 CAMEOs the most. When you're doing a full floral wallpaper, it takes a really long time for one machine to cut it out. So I actually use the Business Edition software because it allows you to cut on multiple machines at the same time. When I did my boys' room makeover, they wanted a superhero room, and I probably used 30, 50 Batman masks. And then I also did several skyscrapers, anywhere from 3 to 6 feet tall. In my craft room, we have designed some flowers that we scattered along the walls. It makes the bookcases look more built in, which makes them in return look so much better. And we were able to create this beautiful space using the Silhouette to create this whole entire room makeover in less than 5 hours. I don't only do vinyl on a large scale. I use it to accent small pieces also. I bought a piece of wood, painted it white, put legs on it, and it looked kind of boring. So I used some gold triangles that I cut out, and it looks really fun and it looks interesting. I designed a triangle wallpaper for my little boy's nursery because the room is really small. So I took the closet doors off of his closet and designed a wallpaper feature using black vinyl and put the crib in the closet space, and now it just looks like extra square footage. I used the Silhouette CAMEO when I designed my pantry because I knew I wanted a wallpaper look, and I made a different label for every single jar and bin in the pantry, and it makes it really easy for everything to go back to its place. It looks super pretty. The Dalmatian print wall in my bathroom, every single person that saw photos of it thought that it was wallpaper. So I had this brilliant idea of just creating the Dalmatian spots in my Silhouette studio, and I cut them on black vinyl, and it looks exactly, if not a little better, than the wallpaper that I was highly considering buying. I use multiple colors of vinyl in my little boy's bathroom because everything is black and white, and it added just enough color without being crazy. My little boy's closet was a hot mess, but we were able to use the print and cut feature, and I was able to design labels, cut them out, and now he knows where everything goes. My husband knows where everything goes. So in my kitchen area, I have a very small space for pantry. We put these jars and we put these gorgeous labels on it, and it just created so much more storage for me, but it looks beautiful. So for my girls' bathroom, I wanted to be super girly and fun. And so I purchased the rose pattern from the design store and sized it down to 3 different sizes. And now you can just simply peel and stick them on, and it's just created a beautiful wall treatment. The Silhouette cutting system allows us to think of anything and to do it. Anyone could use this and anyone could benefit from it, not just people that are home decorators or interior designers. The Silhouette really does truly change your life, and it changes my life on a day-to-day basis, and without it, I just would be really sad. I would definitely recommend the Silhouette over any other cutting system to anyone that asks my advice, because you can get a machine and the vinyl and create your entire wall for cheaper than you can get most wallpapers. Then you have the machine forever. Living in a house that I'm renting, I would not be able to do anything that I've done in my home to make it feel more like my home unless I had the Silhouette. Whenever I can incorporate a cool design on the wall that's temporary, budget friendly, and really unique, I'm looking to my Silhouette, and without it, I mean, I don't know what I would do.